In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign in or register on eBay. This process is straightforward and can be completed in just a few easy steps, whether you're a seasoned eBay user or someone just getting started with online buying and selling. First, let's begin by opening your web browser and heading over to the eBay website. You can do this simply by typing in eBay in the search bar or directly entering the URL www.ebay.com. Once eBay's homepage loads, you'll find yourself surrounded by a plethora of products just waiting to be explored. Next, you'll want to direct your attention to the upper left corner of the eBay homepage. Here you'll see the option labeled Sign In or Register. This is your next stop. Clicking on Sign In or Register will guide you to all your account access requirements. This is an important step as your eBay account is your gateway to buying and selling on the platform, so be sure to take your time to ensure all information is input correctly. After you click on Sign In or Register, you'll be presented with a couple of options. If you already have an account, eBay will prompt you to enter your email address or username and your password. Make sure to double-check your entries for any errors. If you're using a shared or public computer, consider not ticking the Keep Me Logged In option for security reasons. Once you've done that, click on Sign In and voila, you should now be logged into your eBay account where you can start shopping or selling with ease. On the other hand, if you're new to eBay, you'll need to create an account. You'll be guided to a registration page where you can choose how you'd like to register. eBay provides a few convenient options. You can sign up using your email, or if you prefer, you can use your Google or Facebook account. Select the method that suits you best. Once that's done, you'll need to fill in some basic personal information, such as your name and email address, and create a secure password. Strong passwords usually include a mix of letters, numbers, and special characters, which help in keeping your account secure. After completing the registration, take a moment to go through eBay's terms and conditions to ensure you understand your responsibilities as a user. When everything is in order, click Create Account, and just like that, you're part of the eBay community. With these steps completed, you're now ready to dive into the world of eBay. You can explore thousands of listings, place bids, or list your items for sale. Happy eBaying! Before I wrap up, don't forget, successful transactions often depend on clear communication and timely actions, so be sure to check your account regularly for updates.